In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning editable icons in PowerPoint in just 16 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. In a matter of seconds, you'll be able to enhance your presentations with beautiful icons that can easily be customized to fit your needs. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're already working on a presentation, great. Otherwise, go ahead and open a new presentation. This way you'll be ready to start adding your personalized icons immediately. Now head over to your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the Insert tab. This is where the magic begins. The Insert tab is packed with tools and features you'll use to create and modify your slides. Once you're on this tab, look for the Shapes button and give it a click. This will open a variety of shape options that you can add to your slide. Let's start by adding a simple circle shape to your slide. Once you've done this, don't forget to send it back. This ensures that any other elements you add on top will sit nicely above your circle. Sending an object back is simple, just right click, choose send to back and you're all set. Next, stay within that Insert tab. You'll want to go back and this time click on Icons. Icons offer a wide range of visuals you can use to add flair to your presentations, and PowerPoint provides a substantial library to choose from. Once the icons window pops up, use the search bar to find an icon that suits your theme or message. After you've found an icon that you like, select it and click Insert. You'll see it pop up on your slide. Now position it directly on top of the circle shape you previously added. The layering of shapes and icons gives your creation that polished, integrated look, essentially forming a solitary, cohesive icon. Finally, to complete your customizable icon, you'll want to group the two shapes together. This step is crucial because it allows you to move and resize your icon as one unified piece. To do this, click to select both the circle and the icon, then right click and choose the group option from the menu. And there you have it, your icon is now grouped and can be adjusted and duplicated effortlessly. And that's it, creating stunning icons in PowerPoint really is as simple as that. With this straightforward method, you can enhance your presentations by creating icons that not only look professional, but can also be adapted to fit any context or theme. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on mastering PowerPoint and other creative tools.